So fam, what's with this attack of the drones? One of you guys mentioned it. I said I would look into it. So I found a couple articles last night. And so I'm just going to try to remember what I read because I'm out and about and I really wanted to get this video to you guys. Should we be worried or not? Y'all let me know down in the comments, because most are saying we have nothing to worry about, and then others are saying we should be worried. So this actually started November 10th of this year. I haven't heard anything about it until in the comments of my video last night. So what's going on in New Jersey is they're seeing drones usually around dusk to around 11 p.m. in different places. Some people up close and personal with it, others just can see it from a distance. Some of them have a 6-foot wingspan. They have lights on them. They turn the lights off of them to keep from being tracked. One representative in New Jersey said that he believes that it's coming from a mothership on the East Coast from a ship. And then the Pentagon shot down his statement and said that that's false, that's not happening. So I don't know what's true and what's fake. Y'all can put in the comments exactly what it is y'all think is happening. And should we be worried? And if so, what can we do about it? Leave comments down below. I'm going to leave this video here to show you what I found. So y'all take care, stay safe, keep your head on a swivel, because we don't know where the attacks are coming from. We have Chinese attackers, we have Iranian attackers, we have Russia attackers. Again, we need to be preparing regardless of whatever it is that's going on right now. It seems to be increasing the closer we get to the changing of the thrones. So definitely be aware. People are more hostile towards certain individuals than others. So we just need to protect ourselves at all means. So I just took a break and decided I would pull over here at this huge lake. I'm about to say little lake, to talk to you guys and let you know that if you see something, let me know about it. If I can find something out about it, then I will bring it to you. So here is the video clip. Definitely hit that like button. It helps the video get out to more people. More people need to know what exactly is happening so they can figure out if they want to prepare or not prepare. It is up to you. See you in a little bit.
There's two behind here.
I think the creepy part is not that it's just a drone, that they're so large.
Growing frustration and demands for answers from New Jersey residents over a mystery in the skies.
Another drone.
Weeks of mysterious nighttime drone sightings across the state, including near military sites and other critical infrastructure, has left some residents unsettled.
They look like a small car to me. Their wingspans are probably 6 feet across.
Eyewitnesses say these spotted drones are much larger than those used by hobbyists. Law enforcement described one encounter.
It was coming in our direction. It spun around, did 180 degrees, went back out the other way, then it kind of looped around.
A task force of federal, state, and local law enforcement is now investigating, briefing concerned lawmakers Wednesday. Asked by CNN for comment on these sightings, the FBI said in a statement, witnesses have spotted the cluster of what looked to be drones and a possible fixed-wing aircraft. They're asking anyone with information on the origin of these drones to call police. Now, authorities say there's no known threat to the public, but despite that, one congressman from New Jersey said that he's been told by sources that drones are being launched from an Iranian ship.
That mothership is off, I'm going to tell you the deal, it's off the east coast of the United States of America.
The Pentagon quickly shutting down those claims.
There is not any truth to that. There is no Iranian ship off the coast of the United States, and there's no so-called mothership launching drones towards the United States.
We might as well say, would you be mine?